Okay, one click. Battery still going strong. Happy to say. Motodenchi yung Motodenchi lithium-ion battery that I had installed on my bike around a year ago, still going strong. That MD or Motodenchi lithium-ion battery still going strong. Happy to say, even after 1 year, malakas pa din yung battery. I don't know if I just got lucky or maganda talaga siya, but based on my experience, okay ang Motodenchi lithium-ion battery. Of course, you know the caveat about lithium-ion batteries. Kung hindi maganda yung nakuha mo, either madidiscard ka agad or puputok yung battery, or even worse, it might catch fire, particularly in rainy weather kung naka-expose yung battery mo. But so far so good, thank goodness.